CHM, CHM Machinery Hong Kong Limited, the professional sheeting machine research development and production manufacturer, and the global professional paper sheeting solution provider for printing and packaging enterprises. Since 2004, established in Hong Kong, CHM is the only Hong Kong brand sheeting machinery manufacturer in China. After nearly 20 years of development, CHM Machinery has established 5 companies in China. They are CHM Machinery, Hong Kong Limited, Shenzhen CHM Machinery, Shandong CHM Machinery, Dongguan Chunhing Mechanical Technology, Dongtai Chunhing Technology, have a total production base of nearly 150,000 square meters, and its annual sales are in the first echelon of the industry. Dongguan Chunhing Mechanical Technology Company Limited is located in Quoto Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. Covering an area of nearly 50,000 square meters, it was completed and put into use in 2016. In CHM, the company pays attention to the publicity and education of corporate culture, improves the quality of employees, and creates a harmonious, civilized, clean and tidy working condition. At the same time, encourage colleagues to work hard, dare to try, innovation, to achieve your dreams. Shandong CHM Machinery Equipment Company Limited is located in Yenzhou District, Jining City, Shandong Province. Covering an area of nearly 50,000 square meters, it was completed and put into use in 2010. It is the second largest production base in the CHM. Shandong is a strong paper-making province, and CHM is an expert in paper sheeting. With its advantageous geographical location, CHM services can more conveniently meet customer needs and help the excellent reputation of high-end sheeting machines to choose CHM. Dongtai Chunhing Technology Company Limited is located in Fuan Town, Dongtai City, Jiangsu Province. Covering an area of nearly 50,000 square meters, it was completed and put into use in 2021. It is the third largest production base in the CHM. Many outstanding post-printing equipment companies in China have gathered here, attracting many printing companies to visit. This geomantic and treasured site is defined by the industry as buying equipment, going to Dongtai. CHM focuses on the development and production of high-end sheeting machines. CHM product designed to do 2 series. The first series is high-speed web sheeting machine. There is a single rotary paper sheeter for both thick and thin paper, with high precision, low loss and stable operation. There is also a star product that mainly cuts thick paper, dual rotary sheeter. The incision is clean and free of paper wool. After the paper is cut, it can be directly onto the printing machine. Precision high-speed sheeter paper reel to sheet cutting machine high-speed web sheeting machine web to sheet paper sheeter. The second series is the A4 copy paper making production line, which is the first independent research and development in China, and realizes automatic cutting, reams packaging, box wrapping, and stacking. It is suitable for the production of products with different specifications such as A3, A4, A5, B-type and K-type, and it can be independently designed and produced according to customer requirements. The products of CHM Machinery are exported to more than 80 countries in the world, and many well-known paper mills, printing house and packaging factories in the world are our partners. CHM Machinery has a large professional after-sales service team, which can provide customers with accurate, timely and excellent after-sales service, and provide free online guidance throughout the year. No matter where you are, no matter which equipment do you need, we will working with you all the time. CHM Machinery has a number of post-press cooperation projects, such as BYD Electric Forklift Series, Film Packaging Series, Cleaning Special Washing Machine Series, and so on. CHM Machinery insists on quality first-class service, and has opened several public welfare training camps for paper cutting engineers. continuously delivering professional paper cutting engineers and on-site management talents for printing and paper products enterprises, and solving industry gaps. The core advantage of CHM Machinery is to insist on independent innovation. CHM has a first-class R&D team of engineers. CHM has obtained more than 300 patents and participated in the formulation of many national/industry standards. It has won many social honors such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Provincial Famous High-Tech Product, and Excellent Enterprise. As a member of Hong Kong Xingding Group, CHM Machinery has jointly held the China Post-Printing Techniques Forum for many times. A series of pre-print, in-print and post-print equipment were shown to the public, including sheeting, printing, coating, laminating, bronzing, die cutting, bag making, box making, product inspection, window sticking, double-sided tape sticking, box gluing, paper mounting, dispensing, flipping, packaging, etc. Provide customers with one-stop procurement, time saving, cost reduction, and strong service. CHM Machinery has always been adhering to the create value for customers, create a development platform for employees, and create benefits for enterprises, the core values of the company, under the leadership of the chairman Mr. Zhong Jueling, scientific management, standardized operation, and strive to become a world-class enterprise.